Hej alle sammen, jeg hedder Benjamin, og det er mig, der har lavet min eksamen. Og min eksamen, det er en hjemmeside, hvor studerende de kan træne deres mundtlige eksamen med en AI, der kan se deres skærm. Og i dag, der vil jeg vise, hvordan man går igennem sådan en eksamen, hvordan ligesom flowet det forløber. Så her er jeg altså en studerende, og jeg har fået den her opgave, som jeg skal løse til eksamen. Det er noget med at arbejde med dom. Det er sådan noget webteknologi, men det behøver ikke at være webteknologi, det kan være alle mulige forskellige emner. Men nu sætter jeg den i gang, og så snakker jeg til den her eksamen. Den her eksamen er også lidt kortere end normalt. Normalt så ligger de på omkring sådan 10 minutter, men det bestemmer den person, der har lavet eksamen selv, men vi laver den lidt kort, så den her video ikke bliver alt for lang.
Hey, welcome to your ITR 25 Web Technology Prov exam. I will be your examiner. It will work this way. I will ask you to do the task seen on the screen and ask you some questions. You can just answer like I was a real person. First, let's get you set up. Can you please share your screen by clicking on the button with the arrow pointing up? Do you see the task on the screen? I see your screen now. Let's focus on the first part of the task. Please create a simple web page with an input field and a button.
Okay, an input field. I've already created some of the HTML. Is that fine or?
The initial structure is acceptable. Proceed with creating the input field and button as required by the task.
Okay. Input like this, and a button.
That looks correct. Now ensure the button is clickable and logs button clicked to the console when interacted with.
Okay, so when I click the button, it should log something to the console. Is that correct? Or
That is correct. Please implement the necessary code to achieve that, and then demonstrate it in the console.
okay. I think I will first select the button. Does that make sense?
Proceed with your implementation.
Okay. Document.query selector, and then here I give it a tag, and I will just give it a button as the tag, so I'm using the tag selector here.
The selector is correct. Now attach the event listener to log the message.
Okay, so I'll use the add event listener, and it should listen for click and for the function that should be called when the button is clicked.
There is a syntax error in the event type provided. Also, ensure you log the required message inside the function.
Syntax. Oh yeah. Sorry, I didn't see that. This should not be sick. It should be click. And then let me just check what it was I needed to log. I should log button clicked. Is this looking better?
The syntax is correct now. Please demonstrate the functionality and show the console log.
Okay, I'll do that.
I see the web page. Open the console and click the button.
Is this correct?
Yes, button clicked is logged correctly. Now continue with the next part of the task. Log the planet name from the input field.
Okay, I just need to see here, log the planet name written in the input field. Okay,
That is correct. Proceed with implementing the logic.
yes, I will. I need the input field,
Rem
document. Oh, yeah, sorry.
That is correct. Continue.
Okay.
Now,
Um,
remember, you need to get the value within the event listener function.
yes, I'll just try this and see. So mass, and then I click the button. Ah, yeah, it's working.
It is correctly logging the input. Now implement the conditional logic to render the text based on the planet name.
Okay. If the planet name is Earth, render the text home planet. Okay.
Yeah. Ensure you create an element to display the output and then apply the conditional logic.
Okay, I'll do the conditional logic and then I'll do the rest afterwards.
Time is up. Grade.
Mm. Yeah, sorry.
Grade. You successfully implemented the basic web page structure, selected the button and input elements, and correctly logged the button click and the input value to the console. This demonstrates competence in basic DOM manipulation and event handling. However, the final requirement regarding conditional rendering of text based on the input value was not completed within the time limit. For future exams, focus on ensuring all parts of the task are fully implemented and tested.
Cool. Can I get a grade as well?
As I stated, the grade is 7. The feedback has also been provided.
Okay, perfect. Thanks. Yes, så det var sådan set den eksamen ligesom overstået. Og her kan vi så se ligesom den karakter, vi har fået, og så det feedback, der også er blevet givet her. Og så er der lidt omkring at se en statistik, ligesom over de antal forsøg, man har haft. Hvordan man klarer det, og man kan se, hvor mange eksamener man har taget. Og der er mere til min eksamen, men det her det er bare ligesom selve eksaminationsdelen af det. Yes, tak for at kigge med. Hej.